Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to our visitors from the KMITL. My name is Chelvin Oliveras and I am a student, a master's student from Professor Hongwei Yang's lab. And I'll introduce our lab, the Laboratory of Nanobiomaterials Application. And if you're interested, you can scan the QR code at the bottom right to visit our website for more detailed information. So our lab includes undergraduate students, graduate students, and a postdoctoral researcher, and also an administrative assistant. And students are divided into 4 research groups. The first is the nanobiomaterials, virus-like nanoparticles, microneedles, and biosensors. And our lab collaborates with many partners, both locally and internationally. In Taiwan, we work with universities and clinical doctors. We also collaborate with researchers in the USA, Canada, Japan, the Philippines, Thailand, and Singapore. So these are the 4 main research areas in our lab. First is the nanobiomaterials. In nanobiomaterials research, we combine nanomaterials with immune cells to create tumors that cannot be removed by surgery. Our nanomaterials can generate oxygen inside tumors to improve hypoxia, which enhances radiotherapy and hemodynamic therapy. We also combine them with NK cells to improve cancer cell recognition and healing ability. This research may lead to a new strategy combining oxygen supply and immunotherapy. And another research area involves the virus-like particles or VLPs. These particles can deliver RNA, proteins, or drugs into tumor cells safely. We have successfully delivered RNA drugs into brain tumors to improve radiotherapy effectiveness, and we also developed VLP-based nanobubbles for ultrasound imaging and improving tumor oxygen levels. Our lab also specializes on microneedles. So we develop microneedles for DNA vaccines, drug delivery, and wound healing. We also use microneedles to extract the interstitial fluid for detection and combine them with smartphone-based platforms. And microneedles can also be used for insulin delivery and other therapeutic applications. And lastly, we also develop portable biosensors for use at home. These devices integrate microneedles, lateral flow strips, and biochips to detect viruses or antibodies quickly. The results from these biosensors can be uploaded to smartphones and cloud systems for health monitoring. We also developed the lab on needle and lab in a vial technologies for rapid and precise diagnostics. And this is our lab. So our lab provides the independent research space, and we also have the cell culture room and a student lounge. So here, students can discuss experiments, relax, and also collaborate in these areas. And the lab also organizes activities to help everyone relax, such as exchange gift and year-end parties, and Teachers' Day celebrations, alumni homecoming, and we also have the lab trip. So these activities help reduce stress and also strengthen teamwork. And lastly, the students are also encouraged to participate in conferences internationally and also locally to broaden their perspectives and connect with other researchers worldwide. And that's all. So thank you for your attention, and we welcome you to join our laboratory. So you can scan this QR code for more information. Thank you.